How to restore your WhatsApp chats from business account to personal account. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can restore your WhatsApp chats from business account to personal account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through. First things first, you want to open up WhatsApp business account and tap on three dots at the top right corner and head into settings. Once you're on settings, what you need to do is you want to proceed to head into chats feature. On the chats feature, scroll down and tap on chat backup and make sure to back it up. So you want to tap on backup and you want to back up here to your particular Google account. What you have done, so what you want to do next is you want to simply proceed to install the WhatsApp application, the normal WhatsApp, not the business version, but just the WhatsApp Messenger. So let me show it to you here, WhatsApp, and you can see WhatsApp Messenger. You want to open it up. Once you have opened in, what you want to do is here you can see my phone number was registered with WhatsApp on a new device, so I can simply tap on log back in. But if not, you'll get the simply option to register a new account, right? You'll get an interface somewhat like this. Tap on agree and continue, then select your number. It'll automatically detect your number. If you want to select that, you can select it. If not, you can tap on enter a different number. I'll just select this number and tap on next, and now it'll start connecting, as you can see here. And you can see my number has been verified on this device. Now all I got to do is enter in my name here, tap on next, and here login faster. I don't want to do this, not now. And you can see my chat has been restored here, everything, and my WhatsApp business has been transferred to personal account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.